The law of attraction has been a hot topic for ages. There are loads of books, documentaries, blogs, and spiritual people who've been talking about this content for the longest time, which is why it's become so popular. Now that people are learning about this awesome thing, they've been able to manifest all sorts of amazing things in their lives. Seeing the law of attraction work for others, you've probably wanted to use it for yourself, but getting it to work isn't always as easy as it looks. If you're finding it hard to get the law of attraction to work for you, you're about to learn everything you need to get started. Before we get started, you need to understand the basics of the law of attraction. To put things simply though, what you put out, the universe will give back, sometimes with interest. Your thoughts, feelings, and emotions play a role when it comes to the universe deciding what to put into your life. So, the next time you have a negative thought, remember, the universe is listening, it's always listening. Being aware of the law of attraction will make it easier to control the things you think and feel, especially if you don't want them to come back on you in the future. To help you along, here are the 4 things you can do, starting right now, to make the law of attraction work for you. Number 1. Visualizing your goals in the present. Now, you're probably thinking that visualizing your goals is something that everybody should be doing, and you're right, but unfortunately, most people simply don't. If you want to get the most out of using the law of attraction, you'll need to make time to think about your future and what you really want. Number 2. Using positive affirmations. In principle, affirmations are really easy to use. All you have to do is write down a list of powerful statements that you can say out loud to motivate yourself. You can use affirmations like, I am wealthy, I am surrounded by love, I will make a lot of money, things like that. We have videos talking about things just like this, if you'd like to check them out. When you're using affirmations, you have to make sure that you believe in the words you're saying, otherwise, you might just be wasting your time. Number 3. Building a strong sense of self-belief. If you're going to use the law of attraction, or affirmations to create the life you want, you have to get rid of any doubts you have. It's much easier to think negatively than it is to think positively, which is why we have to train our minds so we can control our emotions. Before asking the universe for something huge, start with something small, so you can build up your confidence. Number 4. Using a gratitude journal. Just because you're trying to use the law of attraction to manifest something into your life, it doesn't mean that you hate the way things are right now. You want to keep the positive thoughts and vibes flowing as much as you can, and writing down the things you're grateful for is a great way to do that. When the universe sees that you're grateful for the blessings that you already have, it'll be inclined to give you more, so don't forget to say thank you before you go to bed at night. That about wraps things up. If you want to learn more about the law of attraction and how it can change your life, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more videos from trusted psychics.